Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious Konkani recipe. We'll be seeing how to prepare chevli ukeri or alsande ukeri. This is a healthy, delicious dry side dish which is prepared using long beans. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be few alsande, to be precise, 1.5 cup of chopped long beans, 1 to 2 green chilli, half teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of urad dal, 1/3 cup of freshly grated coconut, 1 food teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, and 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of coconut oil. Firstly, to begin with, chop the top portion of the green chilli and later split open. Now set this aside and take the alsande or long beans. Chop the top and bottom portion of the long beans and later chop them into 1-inch pieces. While choosing the long beans for this stir fry, make sure to choose the tender long beans and not the mature ones. If you're taking the mature long beans, use only the seed and discard the skin. Repeat the chopping process for the rest of the long beans and later set this aside. Here, to be precise, we have got about 1.5 cup of chopped long beans. Now set this aside for further use, and next take a preheated kadai or pan and into that add 1.5 tablespoon of coconut oil. Now transfer the urad dal and the mustard seed into it to prepare the tempering. Once the tempering is prepared, into this transfer the chopped long beans or alsande and saute this. Later transfer the chopped green chilli into it and saute and stir fry this until the alsande or long beans turn into a little darker green shade. Once done, add salt and turmeric powder and give everything a good mix. Later add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and give everything a good mix. Now cover this with a lid and cook this in low to medium flame for another 5 to 10 minutes. Once done, remove the lid and give everything a good mix. Now switch off the flame and remove the green chilli out of the ukeri. Finally, add the freshly grated coconut and give everything a good mix. Now your delicious alsande ukeri or chevli ukeri is ready. This is an excellent combination which can be had along with rice and dali toy. The recipe of the dali toy is there in the description box or on the top right corner of your screen. So do try this recipe and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. For more traditional recipes, do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.